The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, standing at 182 meters, located at Kevadia in the Indian state of Gujarat. It honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a key leader in India's independence movement and the country's first Deputy Prime Minister. Unveiled in 2018, the statue symbolizes national unity. It is situated on the Narmada River, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam, offering panoramic views and attracting tourists from around the world. The Spring Temple Buddha is a monumental statue located in Lushan County, Henan Province, China. The height of the statue is 128 meters, and it stands on 25 meters high lotus throne, making its total height to 153 meters. The statue depicts Vairocana Buddha, which symbolizes peace, harmony, and spiritual enlightenment. It is a major tourist attraction and religious site in China. The Laykyun Sekkya statue of Gautam Buddha is located at Moniwa, Myanmar. The statue depicts a standing Gautam Buddha next to a reclining statue of Gautam Buddha, depicting the scene of Mahaparinirvana. The height of statue is 116 meters and reaching a total height of 129.2 meters, including its 13.5 meter throne. It depicts Amitabha Buddha, a deity associated with pure land of Buddhism, and the reclining Buddha represents the final stage of enlightenment. It is a major site of pilgrimage and tourist attraction. The Vishwas Swarupam, also known as the Statue of Belief, is the world's tallest statue of Lord Shiva, located in Nathdwara, Rajasthan, India. Standing at a height of 112 meters, this monumental sculpture portrays Lord Shiva in a seated position with his legs crossed and a trishul in his left hand. The Vishwas Swarupam has become a significant spiritual and tourist destination, attracting visitors worldwide. The Ushiku Dibbutsu is a monumental bronze statue of Buddha located in Ushiku, Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan. Standing at a total height of 120 meters, including its 10-meter base and 10-meter lotus platform. It was constructed to commemorate the birth of Shinran, the founder of the Jodo Shinshu, True Pure Land sect of Buddhism. The statue represents Buddhist ideals of peace and spiritual enlightenment. Sai Daikon is a massive 100-meter tall statue of the Bodhisattva Kannon located in Sendai, Japan. The statue depicts a deity holding a wish-fulfilling jewel in her right hand and a water flask in her left, symbolizing wisdom, mercy, and compassion in Buddhism. The statue is a significant landmark in Sendai, both for its size and its religious importance. The Guishang Guany of the 1,000 Hands and Eyes is a monumental gilded bronze statue located at Miyan Temple in Ningxiang, Hunan Province, China. Standing at the height of 99 meters, it is the fourth tallest statue in China. The statue represents the Bodhisattva Guanyin, known as Goddess of Mercy, Compassion and Kindness. The 1,000 hands and eyes represent the Guanyin's ability to protect all beings from sufferings and to guide them towards enlightenment.
Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.